तारीफें खुद कर रही हूँ. Every week it has a new guest. This differs this show from the rest. I want this publicity to grow more further, but no one appreciates the bichara producer. No, don't say that. The work of the producer is very complicated, so guys, he obviously should be appreciated. That's the end. Great poem, and you're right. हमारे जो camera crew होता है और हमारे makeup artist, हमारे producer बहुत effort लगाते हैं. It's a combined effort, तब जाके हमारा show इतना अच्छा होता है. जो मेरी भी जो energy होती है ना, वो ऐसी नहीं आती. You know, like the producer does a lot, the cameraman, the makeup artist, the wardrobe. It's like this. You know, we're a department. It's like this. So it's a combined effort by everyone. Thank you for appreciating the fact behind screen भी आपने देखा और आपने appreciate किया. सर, thanks a lot. उसके साथ एक call लेंगे. Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Who's this?
This is Sana from Karachi.
How are you, Sana? Where are you calling from?
Karachi.
Okay, Karachi, Zabardast. Sana, what do you do?
I study. I'm in my A's.
Sorry, kaun se class?
I'm doing my A-levels.
Okay, great. You're doing your A-levels. So, do you know what the topic is?
Yes, I do, and I actually wanted to speak to you about the topic only.
Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. I want to know कि आपका view क्या है, आपके क्या view है इस topic के बारे में?
I think that, A-levels is cool, but school mein, they should have taken us to more picnics and, make it interesting. And but then there should be discipline as well, because without discipline, it's not a school anyways.
True. So that's it? Is that your dream school? I'm sure.
Yeah, I think there should be discipline, but then, we should be allowed to hang out and, go on field trips and be allowed
hang
to
out
at least
more
talk
than the usual.
We can at least, I think we should be allowed to crack jokes in school, because it has happened many times with me that I would crack a joke and then be thrown out of the class.
Yeah.
When I'm just trying to make the class a little more interesting,
Yeah, true. So I'm sure the teachers will never like the fact that a kid is cracking a joke. He'll be like, beta, stand up and out of my class. No nonsense over here.
Exactly, they should make class interesting, even the teacher should crack some jokes and stuff.
I know that has to be, like, I think A-levels market gets more chilled out, and, you have good teachers who are, like, chilling out with you, and they're like, अच्छे से पढ़ा रहे होते हैं, like, economic. Like, I remember, like, the teachers we had, they were, like, fun. But I think schooling में ये होता है ना, they want you to be disciplined and, like, just listen to them. But, okay, so this is your dream school. Little bit of discipline.
Yeah, because even in A-levels, I'm allowed to go at my certain class timings. But then I always reach early in the morning, because I go out there and I sit with my friends, I have a good time. And sometimes in A-levels, at least this happens, that the teacher also comes to the cafe and he's drinking coffee with us and all that, So that's like good.
Chalo, cool. Okay, but my dream school is more than this. We'll let you know. Keep watching Girl Power. Thank you so much for calling, Sana. Take care.
No problem. And by the way, you're doing a great job. I love the show, Girl Power.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for calling. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye. जी ये थी कॉलर हमारे पास सना थैंक्स अ लॉट अप्रिशिएट दैट यू अप्रिशिएट अस एंड बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग का हमारे शो पे आने के लिए. आप लोग इतनी दूर से आए हैं, नहीं इतनी दूर से नहीं, इधर से ही आए हैं. थोड़ी सी लंबी ड्राइव थी, कोई ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा थी. एंड ऑल द बेस्ट यू गाइज. इंशाल्लाह आप लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम वी वांट टू सी यू गाइज ऑन द स्क्रीन एनी टाइम ऑल द टाइम. कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं, किसी को थैंक यू करना चाहते हैं?
थैंक्स अपनी फैमिली को करना चाहेंगे सबसे पहले तो,
जिनने इतना समझा. और आप
सब स्पेशली मेरी मदर को.
काफ़ी
उन्होंने काफ़ी दुआओं के साथ मुझे हर चीज़ में परमिशन दे दी.
अच्छा.
मेरे प्रोडक्शन इंचार्ज जो मेरे ऑनर हैं ऑफिस के, उनको, मेरे दोस्तों को, मेरे सेंटर को जहाँ से मैं पढ़ चुका हूँ, थैंक्स कहूँगा आप लोगों को.
बात है ज़बरदस्त, सबको ये दिया
सबको मैं थैंक्स कहूँगा.
ओके. एंड आप?
मैं भी अपनी फैमिली और अपने क्या कहते हैं फ्रेंड्स को जिन्होंने सपोर्ट किया और काम जो मेरे साथ करते थे, उन्होंने उनको,
अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को जिनको मैंने कम फ़ोन किया इस दौरान.
उनको भी कहना चाहेंगे. जरूर, बिल्कुल सही बात है.
चलिए अब चलेंगे एक सॉन्ग की तरफ. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका एंड ऑल द बेस्ट यू गाइस. स्टे ट्यून्ड, देयर इज अ लॉट मोर. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक्स. स्टार्ट कॉलिंग. लेट्स गो एंजॉय द सॉन्ग.
What? The party's over? Hands up, go!